Welcome to the 47th San Francisco Decorator Showcase. This is one of my favorite events, and I'm here today with Elena Britton, and we're going to talk a little bit more about what makes Showcase so special. Elena, I'll start with that. What makes this such a great event?
I think it's just the most unique opportunity for San Franciscans to come and see a home fully designed from a cohort of talented individuals that are coming together and putting on their absolute best.
Tell me about the joys and the challenges of staging it in one of the icons of San Francisco.
I think one of the joys is doing a Victorian at this time in San Francisco's history feels really special. San Francisco is kind of revitalized and has this new energy, and this feels so true to our city's history. Some of the joys are just the beautiful details that you'll see, the trim, the stained glass that's original. It really has some beautiful details. Some of the challenges are just that it's an old home. We really focused on making it a single-family home that feels like a great flow and accessible.
What are your tips for newbies to the event or veterans for the best way to experience it?
I think for both groups, you should come with a friend, bring a group. This event raises essential dollars for the financial aid program at University High School, so the more the merrier. And spend time. Don't rush through it. Every time I walk through this home, I find a new detail or element that I'm wowed by. So there's a lot to take in, and be sure to ask questions.
I know you can't choose favorites, but I am wondering, what are some of the spaces that are very memorable to you after you've toured the house?
I think one of the special things about this home is there are so many rooms where you can stand and see a stunning view of the Golden Gate Bridge. And it's actually surprising how many angles you can see of the bridge in this house. It just seamlessly integrates with folks' designs. There's been some really fun elements like a swing and mirrors and just unbelievable transformations in these bathrooms throughout the home. So there's a lot of special moments.
How do you get tickets to this event?
Visit decoratorshowcase.org and you can purchase your tickets online, or you can purchase tickets at the door, but it does cost more at the door. So I encourage people to buy ahead.
Thank you so much, Elena. It's so nice to meet you. Thanks for having us today.
Thanks.